Hello guys, welcome back. In the last video of GitHub tutorials, we have seen that how to create a repository in our GitHub account. In this video, we will see how to configure Git in our local system so that we can upload code from our local system into the GitHub repositories. For that, we need a software called Git. You can download it from this official website. Come to the downloads, and as per your operating system, you can download the Git software. I am using Windows, so I have downloaded and installed in my local system. After installing, you need to configure Git in your local system with the username and email of our GitHub account. So go to the directory, right click and click on Git bash here. To config username, type the command git config --global user.name and the username of our GitHub account. Same to config email, we need a command git config --global user.email and the email address from which we have created GitHub account. Now let's see the username and email. For that there is a command here. You can see Safe Tutorials is our username. And email address is mohammadsaif@gmail.com. Like this, you can configure Git in your local system. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.